Recall that in the previous lesson, number 4.1, we learned how to work out the future value of a present value. In this lesson, we'll learn how to work out the present value of a future value. Recall also that in the previous lesson, we established that if we lend someone $100 today and they repay us $100 in 2 years from now, then we'll be out of pocket because the repayment is not worth as much as the loan, due to a difference arising out of the concept known as the time value of money. How much is the future $100 repayment worth in today's money? In other words, what is its present value? This is the same as asking, how much money do we need to deposit in a bank account today for it to grow into $100 in 2 years from now? Let's look at how we work this out. Say the bank pays 5% interest at the end of each year. Then, however much the deposit happens to be, it grows into $100 in 2 years because of 2 lots of interest amounts that are added to it. We can determine the deposit amount by starting with the $100 2-year future value and working backwards, meaning stripping away from it the accrued interest amounts. A $100 balance at the end of year 2 is the balance at the end of year 1 plus 5% of interest. By stripping away that interest from it, we get the end of year 1 balance, which is $95.24. Likewise, the $95.24 balance at the end of year 1 is the amount deposited in the bank today plus 5% of interest. By stripping away that interest from it, we get the present value, which is $90.70. By this process, we've determined that a 2-year future value of $100 has a 1-year future value of $95.24 and a present value of $90.70. This process of taking a future value and stripping away from it the accrued interest to arrive at a present value is the opposite of compounding. It's formally called discounting and is referred to informally as present valuing. So, in our simple scenario here, if someone borrows $100 from us today and agrees to repay us $100 in 2 years from now, then that 2-year future value has a present value of $90.70, meaning we'll be out of pocket by $9.30 of present value. Because we lend out $100 of present value, but are repaid the equivalent of only $90.70 of present value. The difference in relative worth of the two $100 amounts is all because of the 2-year time gap between them, and is due to the time value of money concept. I'm Balbinder Chagga, the author of Options Explained Simply, from where this lesson is taken. You may look inside Options Explained Simply on your local Amazon. You can also find out a bit more about me on my authors page on amazon.com/author/Chagga. If you found this lesson useful, then please do click the like button and share to your network. Thank you.